Hello boys and girls. So now, I'm going to unbox the new Vivo Y73. Is this the color? It matches my clothes also. How sleek is this thing?
It's 7.38 mm to be precise.
Do you mean I can put it in here?
Go for it.
Why would I put such a stylish thing inside? You were saying something about the night camera, weren't you?
Yup, this phone has a 64 megapixel night camera.
Aisha, pose.
No, please,
Just pose,
no.
yeah.
Hey, yeah.
What details? I'm posting this, huh? Social media done. Friends को भेज दिया. मैंने ज़्यादा apps तो नहीं खोल दिए ना?
Actually, this has like a 8GB plus 3GB extended RAM.
That's RAM-azing. RAM-azing. यार मुझसे ही ads लिखवा लेते. Guys, it has stylish looks, it has a night camera, and it has performance. Also, the 33-watt flash charger fits right in the box. So, what are you waiting for? Go buy the new Vivo Y73 only for rupees 20,990. It's my style.
You forgot to mention all the exciting offers.
इतने सब के बाद offers भी हैं.